Hello guys, before we proceed to the topic, let me just tell you this first. I love you all.
Why are you gay?
Anyways, if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Just smash that subscribe button and bell button so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Alright, let's go! Is it really possible to make YouTube as a #1 source of your income? Wait, what? You're still confused until now? We all know that most of the content creators are earning hundreds of dollars and even more. Earnings in YouTube is unlimited. By the way, according to Wikipedia, YouTube is an American online video sharing and social media platform. Its users watch more than 1 billion of videos each day. Imagine that your videos are shown throughout the world, so this is the best platform to advertise your business. So basically, what you can do now is make a video and share to YouTube its other products, arts, music, cars, gaming, travels, and many more. So first, what you need to do is to create a YouTube channel, but before that, you must have a Google account in order for you to make a YouTube channel. So once you are done, boom, you are good to go now.
Nice.
We're going to cover that up about making a channel and requirement in order to qualify for monetization in the next video. So here is just basically an intro to understanding YouTube as a business. So the next step is you need to come up with good content ideas. In other words, you need to find your perfect niche. If you're into gaming, then just play and post your amazing gameplays, or you can even go live streams where you can interact with your fans. And number 2, maybe you're into making music and want to get viral and be a famous artist in YouTube. Plus, you can even sell your music and get tons of money, thousands of dollars, and purchase the universe. Yeah, boy. Isn't it amazing? Number 3 niche is art. For art, just grab a drawing board or any drawing paper that you have and make a video of you drawing or painting. It's so overwhelming when someone appreciates your work. So number 4, travel. Everyone loves to travel, especially when you're with your loved ones. Travel all around the world, make adventures, and document all of your travels and share it to YouTube. Actually, there are lots of best niche in YouTube, and the main secret here is just satisfaction. Make sure that you are happy of what niche you're into, and make sure that there is no feeling of being pressured. Make use of your talent and make an income out of it. Imagine doing YouTube as your main source of income, and what's good about this is you don't feel pressured, you're in control of your time when to upload a video, no bossing that always tells you what to do next. You know what I mean? YouTube is freedom, but let me just tell you this. Doing business is hard, as well as being poor. So why not choose business as an opportunity for you to beat that poverty? You decide your future. Hard work is the key. You really need to invest your time. There's no such thing as easy money in life. If you think money is earned by luck, then you're thinking it the wrong way. It's good to work and earn money than waiting for just luck. Okay, so I hope this video helps you finding your future, not future GF or VF.
Nice.
But what I mean is finding a better living. We are going to dig deeper about YouTube on my next video, so make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. So before you can call yourself as a YouTube content creator, folks, don't forget that we have our only one creator, and that is Jesus Christ, our only Savior. Always ask for guidance from Him and thank Him for all the blessings that you have received. So I think this video ends here, and see you on my next videos.